Hello friends, welcome you all to Polity Simplified series of Dnyanadeep Academy in English. Today's focus article is Article 43B, the latest amendment which is added into Indian Constitution. The latest article which is being added into Indian Constitution by 97th Constitutional Amendment Act of 2011. Here remember, every article, every amendment, every article which has a capital letter attached with it, remember that article is not original article. That article is added into the Indian Constitution by Constitutional Amendment Act. So what Article 43B talks? It talks about promotion of cooperative societies. The word cooperatives is a buzzword right now to make Indian agriculture remunerative, to make rural areas self-sustainable, self-generating, self-revenue collecting. Cooperatives is buzzword right now. That's why this Article 43B is the most important article. So it says, it talks about promotion of cooperative societies as per Supreme Court verdict. So what it says, very interesting article. See, it says that the state, again, it shall be the duty of state. As we have seen, directive principles are nothing but the instructions given to the state. So the state shall endeavor, that is to make effort to promote voluntary, it shall not be compulsory, it shall be voluntary formation of autonomous, functioning, democratic, control and professional management of cooperative societies. So all these principles must be followed when a cooperative society is being formed, when a cooperative society is being established. Now, why these points are very essential? The most important reason behind that is we have seen that many cooperative societies, many cooperative banks, many cooperative institutions have been damaged by, have been completely destroyed by politicians, by unholy nexus between officers and politicians, and this has led to distrust among every common man regarding cooperative. So it said that there is a need to build this trust. It said that there is a need to work on this trust by giving it a constitutional status. So it talks about promotion of cooperative societies. Keep watching the lectures, keep sharing your videos, and your views are very, very essential for us. Thank you.